Alright. I'm going to show you guys how to make Wonder Quiche. Quick, easy quiche for the family before they wake up. Quick and easy. Show you how fast this goes. Okay, you're going to take 6 eggs. I've already pre-coated glass Pyrex. I know. You don't have to use 6 eggs. You can use 4. I like to make 6 for extras. I got a 9x9 glass Pyrex. Preheated oven, 375. Got salt and pepper on the side. Okay, got that going. Here's our ingredients. 6 eggs, 3 pieces of bread, 2 mushrooms, yellow onion, pile of spinach. Okay. First thing you're gonna do is trim the crust. You're gonna leave trimming the crust. This is key. This is gonna be your crust of your quiche. Okay. Bring that back over here. We are going to place this like that. Now you're going to take your crusts, where you're going to fill in the gaps here on the side here. Just break them off. You're making a crust. Don't worry about the gaps, they'll get filled in here. All right. We are at 4 minutes in prep. Okay, I preheated to 375. Now you got this. Now you got to seal it again. This will keep the egg from soaking up your bread. Okay, set that aside. Onions, your mushrooms here, bring that right there. You got extra crust, you can stick this in here, don't have to waste it. Don't worry about it, it's gonna fill in just fine. So fill that in, you double crust it, don't waste anything, no waste. Other places people eat everything, so we're gonna do it too. All right, semi-square. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna look good at the end. Okay, and right there. Cut the bottoms off. Okay, here we go. Chop these mushrooms up. They have to be pretty because you are going to use a wizard to whip this stuff up. Okay. This all goes in here. There. Salt and pepper. Salt. There's your salt. Not a lot, just for taste. Bring your spinach over. I'm just gonna help out the wizard here. Chopping this stuff off like this. Doesn't have to be pretty. Again, you're doing this while your family's asleep. So they're gonna wake up to a nice smelling house. You'll be a good husband. All right. Again, everything in the pot. Boom. Like that. So, right there. 8:22. It's 7 minutes prep. Don't need a lot of onion. Just making it for taste. Actually, I like a lot of onion. So, again, just chop this up right here. Oh, that goes in here. Bam. That. All right. Okay, ready to rock. Okay, got this here. Let's put this right here. You're gonna bust out your trusty little wizard processor here, and you're gonna zap this. You want fluffier quiche, add a little milk, a little cream. It doesn't have to be, it could be oat milk, it could be anything. What's the date on this? We're good. Just a little splash. That's all you need. You have any Kirkland cheese, you can sprinkle that in here also. Okay. So you're all set, ready to rock. Plug this in. Where are we at on prep? 9 minutes prep. Good. Just gonna blend this up. It's gonna turn green. Okay. Should have used a cover, but there you go. Got that. All right, you got your beautiful spinach mix. You're gonna take this, make this a little more cushy. Okay, ready? You're gonna take this mix, pour this in. Don't worry, you've already sprayed it with the seal. If you make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and you wonder why your kids never eat them in their lunchbox, because you need the peanut butter on both sides of the bread to seal that up so the jelly doesn't get through. Trust me. Race 6. All right, so you pour all that in. Looking bueno. Done. Push that one in. Stuffer. All right. A little overflow, it doesn't matter. You're all good. It's because my board's like that. All right. Extra cheese on top. Yeah. Alright, put that back in. Clean up our mess. Stay clean, clean while you go. Alright. We're done. We're ready to go. Here's what we got. You're looking at this. Beautiful. Ready to go. And into the oven. Put it on the top rack. Set the timer. You know what? I set the timer at 17. Check it. Toothpick it, just like a cake. If it doesn't come out, it doesn't come out. Prep time. What do we got here? 12 minutes. 12-minute prep time. 17-minute timer. Uncover